Hi, I'm Miss Phillips, Intervention Specialist here at Milton-Union Middle School. This is my 6th year here at Milton as an Intervention Specialist. I do have 18 years in the classroom. I also co-teach English Language Arts for 7th grade with Miss Atkins. So I'm looking forward to having the students back this year. A little bit about myself. I attended Western Governors University. I was kind of a late graduate after suddenly becoming a single mother of 2. I finished my college degree, started out as a paraprofessional at Upper Valley Career Center for early childhood education and ended up finishing and have been at Milton ever since. And I love being a bulldog. So I live at home with my fiance and my 2 puppies and 2 cats. Not that I'm a huge cat person, but somehow ended up with some kitties left on my doorstep. I love to enjoy camping. I have 2 children, adult girls, from my previous marriage, and my fiance has a son. He's 27. All of our kids are out of the house, so it's just our fur babies and ourselves. In my spare time, I like to camp, travel, all those fun things that COVID kind of put a stop to this year, but we'll get back to them soon. So I will show you around my classroom a little bit. So I'm going to show you around the intervention classroom a little bit. Let me go ahead and flip my camera around. This is the intervention classroom. We take students in here to read test aloud, help them with assignments they might be struggling with, anything students might need. We can work in here in smaller groups, one-on-one with groups of kids. We also have a small supply of supplies students might need. I know in the rush of getting ready in the morning, sometimes students, they might need a touch-up of deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste. We have some body washes, shampoos, things like that. If they're in need at home, welcome to supply those items. We also have extra paper, pencils, folders, organizational materials to help keep our kiddos organized. I share this room with Miss Kotwicka. She's also an intervention specialist. She handles 6th grade and 8th grade. She's also the cheer coach, so you'll see a few cheer things in here. Expectations for this year is that students are here ready to learn, follow directions, complete homework, and by all means, if they need any help, that they reach out to us. Let us know. The only way we can help you is if we know you're in need. So that's a little bit about me. I look forward to meeting all of you really soon in the hallways. It's kind of quiet without the kiddos here. Parents, if you need to get a hold of me, again, my name is Miss Phillips. You can reach me by email at phillipsj@muschools.com. You can also reach me by phone. My extension is 3201. Thanks. See you soon.